Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, to me, this move is all looking extremely corrective, and I think we did fill most of the gap right now. We might have a little bit of gap left open, but I wouldn't really be too concerned about the gap. I think this move down is likely a pullback to this last move up. I think it eventually is going to end up going back up at least to the 90%. Maybe it'll just make a double top and then turn down and break structure, or maybe it'll just continue the uptrend. Either way, we need to realize the trend is up on these very high time frames still. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. So we are getting a break of structure on the 1 hour. Now, if this really is the end of a pullback at the higher time phase, this may break structure, pull back, and then go up and give you this break of structure. This is the break of structure that would really confirm that the move is over, that we're back into the uptrend. We obviously don't really want to wait for this break of structure right here, so we could go long and hopefully learn and earn at the same time whether this is just a pullback to the move down, meaning that it goes up to a Fibonacci level and turns down again, or whether it makes a very impulsive move up and gives you a break of structure, which would confirm that this right here is the end of a pullback on the higher time frames. So that's kind of the situation where you don't know whether you're looking at a pullback or a continuation pattern, but you would potentially go along on the pullback and learn and earn whether it's a wave 3 or whether it's a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.